Right, August 2nd, 2023. Going out for some smallmouth with Terry. Terry, what's your last name?
Tuttle.
Terry T. Terry, how you spell it?
T-Bone's my name.
With Terry T-Bone. Is that good? I like that. Terry T-Bone. All right. Pulling out of Tibbles. It's longer and make it easier too. And then just take. Yeah, you got a smallmouth. See? Maybe we won't. Dude, it's on. We're running.
Waiting above you, little shit. Damn.
Yeah, that's a good smallie, man. That's a good smallmouth. All right, perfect. Yeah, this might be a smallie. I just can't get it up yet. I think it is. I'm pretty sure it's a smallmouth. Yes, it is. Okay. All right. Yes. It's a little guy, but he's nice. It's gotta be a sheepy.
Yep.
Got you a sheephead. Woo! And you know what happened? Terry with another sheepy, maybe? What are you thinking? It's not jumping, sir. Now get the sheepy, buddy. Another sheepy. Oh yeah, 100%. Get up here, you are. Yeah, there you go. All right, smallmouth cutter.
There's one.
You got one? Number two, sheephead. I got you. Now a smallie. Terry with another smallmouth. Boom! Perfect. Oh, sheepy, you got it. Terry with another sheepy. Yep. Aren't they fucking quick and strong? Nice. So we are heading back home. Beautiful day. I got one smallmouth. Terry got 3 smallmouths and a whole bunch of sheephead and I think a catfish or 2. I don't know. It's an excellent day. All right. Thanks for watching. Remember, go to my YouTube channel.
Stop in and highway bait.
Stop in at Highway Bait and Tackle. One-stop shop on Marblehead.